stood upon it for the water so to Hi everyone, welcome to The Keys, and in today's lesson I'll be showing us how to transform a basic chord progression to a more advanced and more bitterness sounding one with just few techniques. So the song we'll be using is as the DA. So I will play it in the key of C, move to the key of C sharp, F, and then F sharp. So this is the basic one. As thou deep panted for the waters, so my soul longeth to thee. You alone of my heart desire in our Lord to worship. Alright, let me stop there. So let me play the other version. As the dew pounded from the waters to you alone. Let me do the breakdown of what I just played. It's very simple once you understand the technique. So I'll be mentioning the things I added. I added chord extension. I added the cycle of fifth, that is the 7-3-6, the 5-1-4. There are many cycle of fifth and fourth. Yeah, so I added the 2-5-1, the 7-3-6, and the 5-1-4. So if you like to advance your skill, you want to learn how to play the keyboard from scratch, or you want to advance your skill, you play already, contact the number on the screen. There's a fee for it. It's not free though. Alright, so let's go ahead. So the basic chord progression is 1 to the 5/7 to the 6 to the 1/3 to the 4 to the 5 to the 6. Then after the 6 I did a 2-5-1. You alone. Okay, so I did the 2 5 1 you, so 1 the 5, so 7 again to the 6 to the 1/3 to the 4 the 5 then the 1. So this was the basic stuff. It sounds good, it's still good. Okay, so we just want to make it sound more advanced and adding some sauce to it. So the first thing I did was, so we're in the key of C. Just like I said, I will move to the key of C sharp, F, and F sharp. So the first thing I did was to play the 1 as a sus2 chord. So this is what I had on my left hand, and this is what I have on my right hand. So instead of playing your 1 like this or like this, you just make it sus2. To create that suspension, that's suspense. Okay. So instead of playing the 5/7, I decided to play a 7 diminished chord. So this is my left hand, this is my right hand. So so that movement was the 736. So it's an advanced concept of which you will learn it in my intermediate class. So the pounded was the 3 was played as a dominant 7th chord, then to the 6. So you can choose to play the 6 as a basic 6 triad or as a minor 7 chord. Then okay. So that is also another cycle of 4th and 5th movement. So that one I just showed you this the 736. So this one is a 5-1-4. So the 5 is played as a minor 7 chord. Now basically the 5 is a major chord, but we're playing it as a minor chord and also as a minor 7 chord. Then the 1, I played the grace note from the 2-3. So this is the 1. So I played. Okay. So then the 4, also did the grace note. So to the 5, then the 6. Then I now did a 2-5-1. You see, I added another turnaround, but this time so we have the 2 was played as a D minor 9. So it's a minor 9 chord. So this is my left hand, this is my right hand. So then the 5 was played as a dominant 7 sus2. So this is my left hand, this is my right hand. So 2, 5, 1. That is it. Very simple. So I study okay, so let's move to the key of C sharp. So I'll be fast now because I've done the full breakdown in the key of C. So 1, 5/7, 6, 1/3, 4, 5, 6, then 2, 5, 1. You all know. Then you repeat the same chord progression again. So my focus is the modified version. So we have this is the first chord, sus2. The diminished chord on the 7, because after the 1 sus2 we want to play a 736. Okay, so this is 7, this is a 3 as a dominant chord, this is 6. Then the next movement is a 5-1-4. So this is a 5, the 1, the 4, okay, 5, to the 6, then so our 2-5-1 is 2 minor 9. This is my left hand, my right hand, So the 5 is my left hand, my right hand. That is it. The key of F. So the basic version: 1, 5/7, 6, 1/3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5, 1. Now the modified version: 1/2, 7 diminished, 3 dominant 7, 6 minor 7. Then the next move is a 5/1/4. So 5 minor 7, the 1 with a grace note, then to the 4, then the 5, the 6, 2, 5, 1. So these are 2. Left hand, right hand. So 5. Left hand, right hand. 1. So that is it. Very simple. Alright, now lastly in the key of F sharp. So the basic chord movement: the 1, the 5/7, the 6, the 1/3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 2, 5, 2, 5, 1. Then the modified version: 1/2, 7 diminished, 3 dominant 7, 6 minor 7, then 5 minor 7, the 1 with the grace note, then a 4 with a grace note also, the 5, the 6, then the 2, 5, 1. So I played it as usual. The 2 minor 9. So this is my left hand, my right hand. So this is the 5, my left hand, my right hand, and the 1. So with this we come to the end of this lesson. So if you'd like to learn more how to apply some of these chords I mentioned, maybe they're new to you, you can join my beginners to advanced class on WhatsApp and on Telegram. So contact the number on the screen and register. See you soon.